Hello, I'm Gary Hunter. I'm Director of Kainos' Data and AI practice. We're seeing insurers and brokers and agents rolling out generative AI, first and foremost for productivity gains. So it's very much a productivity tool that drives business performance. Secondly, many insurers are using it for hyper-personalization. And typically, since the advent of Consumer Duty in June of last year, there is a need not just for regulatory compliance, but also to really elevate the user or the customer experience with insurance customers. We're seeing insurers using generative AI in that customer journey to create hyper-personalized content that gives that makes the information that is being sent by the insurer, communicated by the insurer, it makes that information more understandable. And particularly we're seeing the benefit of using generative AI in that way, particularly to benefit cohorts of the population who have certain special needs. For example, individuals that are neurodivergent with challenges such as dyslexia, ADHD, and autism. And then the third one is migration from legacy systems. With the advent of generative AI, we have the capability now to understand old code. So where we have legacy systems that are using old code such as COBOL and RPG and other older languages, and perhaps we don't understand those because the skills are no longer in the workforce to understand those languages, generative AI can describe that code to us in natural language, so in plain English, but also convert the code into modern code such as Python and Java. Generative AI brings to us is really the sort of final nail in the coffin of those legacy systems, and that enables insurers to move into a modern world of cloud computing, which gives you the scale and the infinite scale of cloud and huge flexibility that allows you to innovate. Now, the challenges we see often is people just don't know where to start, and so any engagement with Kainos with our clients is very much about understanding their current business strategy, understanding the pain points they have within the organization. And then we work with an organization to consult with them around their AI strategy and helping them to build their capability maturity. Often these things are not actually technology problems. With modern technology, you can achieve an enormous amount, but it's really down to having a culture of innovation, having a motivation to change, and then being able to organize yourself from a people, organization, and processes perspective. I think it's a really exciting time because AI has been around for many years. I did my first AI project actually about 17 years ago, but generative AI truly is the game changer that we've read about in the news, and that's been proven to me with the work that Kainos has done in the insurance sector over the last 14 months. So I think it's a really exciting time to be here, and I think that many of the blockers to innovation now are mitigated, which enables us to progress all of our businesses and to drive it in a way that benefits people, planet, and also profit. So I think it's incredibly exciting that we're able to improve the way that we communicate with all customers, ensuring that nobody is left behind. And secondly, what generative AI has brought to us is this ability to capture old code and to be able to convert that to modern code, that opens up huge amount of innovation for all of us, and to take advantage of the modern cloud tools and techniques that can drive productivity and therefore profit, and also sustainability forward for all of us. I think a key theme is improving the customer experience, which has the benefit of regulatory compliance around consumer duty. There's huge benefits to our customers in using generative AI to better communicate with them, but also the regulatory compliancy area is vitally important too.